Let's do one more essay from latest exam, that is on 16th February 2023 IELTS exam. So let's discuss this IELTS writing task 2 essay. Okay, so I will show you the full essay, how to develop ideas and how to understand, how to analyze the essay statement, IELTS writing task 2 statement. Let's look at that question we have. Yes, this is the question statement on 16th February. Okay, so let's start it by reading it 2-3 times. Just pause the screen and read it 4-5 times in order to understand the main idea of this topic. That will take you to the correct task response. Okay, if you don't understand the topic correctly and if you write it something else topic related, but whatever they are asking topic related thing, you have to explain it in essay. Okay, so now some children nowadays take sports seriously while others play sports in their free time. Means some children nowadays they are taking sports as a career. Okay, so since their early ages they are adopting one sports and they will choose that career as a sports. Okay, so others they are playing sports in their leisure time activity. So now he is asking you, examiner is asking you, is this a positive or negative change? No, you have to decide what is this. Okay, what is the main topic? So main topic, can you understand? Can you tell what is the main topic in this statement? Some children nowadays take sports seriously and others they play sports. So play sports. Sports, it's coming 2 times. It means what? It means definitely playing sports is a main topic. Main topic is playing sports. Okay, so how to plan? I am just telling you, 5 minutes planning is really important, and then you will be writing it, and last 5 minutes what will we do? So I will tell you one more thing. Before starting the main things, let's revise the rules for this writing task. Now these are the rules. Of course, we have to spend 40 minutes, not more than that. While doing practice also, you should spend only 40 minutes and minimum 250 words. It should not be less than minimum 250 words, and you can write 300, or there is no limit for maximum words, but at least just try to write in a correct manner, as well as it should not be too lengthy as well. Okay, so of course first 5 minutes, spend your first 5 minutes in planning the essay, and last 5 minutes you have to reread the full essay and just try to find out your errors in spellings, in any subject verb agreement, in punctuation. So many things you need to take care. You just reread your essay, you will come to know that this is the mistake, this you have done it. Okay, of course you can't change the whole idea, but grammar mistakes you can easily find it. Okay, now let's come to the point. Yes, we were talking, this is the main topic, but main topic related to children playing it seriously. Okay, and some are playing it in a free time. Now this main topic and then these 2 subtopics. But now what is the statement? They are saying, is this a positive or negative development? Definitely I will go with positive development. So there is nothing negativity in this development. Okay, so I will be doing it I am taking it as a positive development, positive change in this world. Okay, now you must be thinking, now there are 2 statements, what we are going to do it? Definitely we are going to write everything, but we will talk about only positivity. Okay, how? What is the format of this essay? I will show it to you. So in format for this type of essay where there are 2 contradicting statements are there, but they are asking you negative or positive, you have to select one thing only. Okay, so in introduction definitely you are going to write 3 sentences formula. One general statement or general statement about the main topic. Okay, second one is paraphrasing of question statement. Okay, so you can rewrite the sentence statement into your own words without changing the meaning. Third is your outline statement or thesis statement, what I mean to say. Okay, so what you are going to write in the next paragraph. Okay, so this is introduction. Now in body paragraph 1, you have to, because we are saying positivity, positive impact, so for both the points, both the views, we will be bringing out positive points, so we will not leave any point here. So in body paragraph, it's we will be writing about taking those children, those who are taking sports seriously, we will talk about that and why it is positive. Then we will just write the advantages or benefits of playing sports seriously. And in second body paragraph, on the other hand, on the one hand, taking sports as a hobby, children, those who are taking sports as a hobby, so what are the uses, what are the benefits of playing as a hobby, so we will be writing it. And in conclusion, definitely we will give our own opinion. Along with that, whatever we have discussed in the above paragraphs, okay, aforementioned paragraphs. Okay, now this is the format. Now what points you are going to discuss in this essay? So you can see my register over here. First paragraph, we are going to discuss sports, those sports seriously, those who are taking sports seriously. What will happen? Definitely they are going to grow their career, and they can learn lifelong lessons, such as, example is this, so I am using this example, Sachin Tendulkar, because he has also started this game at the early age, almost he was just 6 years old or 8 years old, he started this game. Now he is known as reputed cricketer in this world. Okay, so this I will be giving example. Now for second type of option, as a hobby, playing sports as a hobby, definitely physical fitness will come when people are playing sports, and they will stop wasting time on video games and other social media activities. You can write it, social media, so indirectly they will stop wasting their time when they are playing sports. Okay, so this will happen. Now let's come to the point, how we are going to write introduction. I will explain it everything. Now read the question statement again. Some children, so how you will be thinking, why I have written in 3 colors, because I want to show you this is one statement, this is another statement, and this is the main question they have asked it. Some children nowadays take sports seriously while others play sports in their free time. Okay, now introduction, so you can use any general statement about the main topic. Main topic is playing sports by children or anybody. Sports play a significant role. So earlier I was about to write important, that's why an is there. So but instead of important, I have used significant, or vital also you can use, then a will come. Sports play a significant role in people's life, which S, this is not plural, I have not made, which can give immense benefits to human body as well as mental fitness. Okay, so advantages I have already described it here, that these 2 benefits will come out. Now my paraphrasing of question statement, you can see, it is considered that sports are beneficial to children whether they play it with great intention or intensively, okay, you can say, or only during their leisure time. So this we have done paraphrasing. Okay, in my opinion, it is a welcoming trend amongst youngsters. Okay, so in my opinion, so I have given my opinion. Welcoming trend means positive trend, positive impact will bring, positive development, it is there. So but I have not used here because you need to give reasons why you think that. If you give this incomplete sentence, it is okay if you write like that only, but if you add your reasons, so I will show you the line in the another page. Okay, because you are going to show the reasons why you support this positive development. Okay, I will show you. So this is my thesis line. In my opinion, playing sports seriously is positive trend because because sports not only teaches children discipline but also focus on achieving their life goals. Okay, so definitely it will teach children discipline in their life and also focus on achieving their goals. By of course we have discussed about mental fitness also. When they will be mentally fit, then they can easily focus on achieving their life goals. Okay, so this you need to give reasons. Without giving reasons you will not get bands. Okay, try to give reason with everything whatever you are explaining in writing task 2. Now come, this was introduction. Now come to the body paragraph 1. Here we are going to write what we are going to write, those who are taking it seriously. Okay, so on the one hand, because we are talking first point of view and then we will be talking about second point of view in next paragraph. On the one hand, why I have done red line? Because these are connectors. These are, you can say, we are connecting the paragraphs. Okay, so on the one hand you can easily, you can write it, there is no harm. Children who are seriously interested in playing sports could see how I have done the simple sentence into by putting who, that, which, if, everything I will be using it here. Children who are seriously interested in playing sports could build, modal verb is also there, could build their career in the future if, now conditional sentence, if these children train at an early age or primary age, you can write they would develop their strength. No, spelling is wrong. That's why when you will be rereading your essay in the last 5 minutes, you will get your spellings. Then strength, th, develop their strengths you can write, and skills. Okay, a good illustration. Now again this is also a ready-made line, but there is no harm in using connector. A good illustration for this case is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, who is known as godman of cricket game all over the world and started this game at the age of 8. He then became one of the one of the youngest players who played international matches. Who played international match at 16 only, you can write. He became okay. Now therefore, what will happen? Therefore, this example shows that sports have great potential to offer career options. Okay, now another point I want to write it here. Apart from this, sports athlete in recent years have achieved new records and fame. Okay, fame means popularity worldwide. That's why they are also enjoying a celebrity status, especially who won medals or matches. Okay, so this is body paragraph 1. How beautifully we have done it. You can just take a screenshot of it. This is my body paragraph 1. Okay, on the one hand, celebrity, just a minute, I will do it. Yeah, okay, you can write it. Now come to the second body paragraph. Now second body paragraph, on the other hand, there are many benefits. Now we are going to write about those who are playing in free time or leisure activity. There are many benefits of spending free time in sports activities by children. Here sports activities you can write like such as by children, but if you are not sure then please don't write. And why we have not written instead of sports anything, games. So that is little bit difference is there between sports and games. Okay, sports help children in their physical and mental growth. Sports, first is that earlier I have written firstly, but I have cut it because I want to use this sentence structure also. First is that sports help children in their physical and mental growth. Okay, now this is the announcement of the point. Now to explain it further, when students engage to do their main studies along with this activity, which would lead to maintain their body shapes and de-stress their minds, okay, while playing different sports actions. So I have repeated this line actually, while playing sports, because already we have written this with this activity. along with this activity we have written, but still I have written. Okay, now yes, while playing different sports actions. So first point from here to here, first point was there, children in their physical and mental growth. So how it will help mental and physical, because they maintain their body shapes and de-stress their minds while playing different sports actions. For them, now further explaining this point, for them studies will not become a burden and they can achieve their goals with great focus due to mental fitness. Okay, so clearly I have given why when they are playing it, what will be the positive developments it will come in the students or children's life. Now second point I am explaining, additionally sports keep children from wasting their free time. Additionally, second point, sports keep children from wasting their free time, children away. That I have forgotten to write. Sports keep children away from wasting their free time playing video or computer games that could be detrimental. That could be detrimental means bad thing to their body postures and well-being. Lastly, and their health also you can write. Well-being is also health. Lastly, children would definitely learn teamwork. Okay, so children will definitely learn teamwork, punctuality, and discipline at the sports academy or grounds. Okay, hence it is a great development among pupils. Hence it is a great development among pupils. So here I have explained everything about mental and body fitness. So body fitness related we have done here. Majorly we have discussed over here. Keep away children from wasting time on computer screens, and social media also, that we had discussed in, and social media that could be detrimental to their body posture and well-being. Okay, so now I have concluded the paragraph. It is a great development among pupils. Now come to the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Yes, to conclude, after considering the aforementioned arguments, to conclude or to in conclusion or to reiterate, after considering the aforementioned arguments, this you can write it or you can leave it, but this word you have to write. Children, whether they adopt sports seriously or for free time activity, brings positive effects on them. Whether they are taking it seriously or free time activity, it will bring positive effects on them. I profoundly believe, this is also a strong word, I profoundly believe that sports have great value in life, and therefore it should be taken seriously to promote it should be taken to promote it, or any other one more line also you can write it in your opinion by suggesting something to people. Okay, so this was my essay. If you want to go for study abroad, for study in specifically in Canada, you can watch this video also, 1 minute video.
Are you planning to study in Canada? Great. But do you know there are 436 colleges and universities in Canada offering more than 15,000 programs. So finding the perfectly suited option is like finding a needle in the haystack. That is where AI can help you. We have more than 25 years of experience in student visa and placement, using which we have designed a tech-based program which can find the best option for you instantly. The search is based on factors like most affordable cost of program, lowest cost of living, highest ranking as well as rating of college or universities, also higher probability of getting an early offer letter, longest post-study work permit duration, and lastly best past record of campus placements. Visit our website mystudyoptions.in or click on the link given below and fill in your details. It won't take more than a minute of your time. But trust me, it's going to be the most valuable minute of your life.